Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to analyze signals here on VIP indicators. You can find the link below in the description. Price is very good. It's about $9–10. It depends where you live. $9–10 per month, and it's working very good. I am on the 5-minute charts, but if you prefer higher time frame, just let me know on the below in the comments. You can trade any market, but I'm gonna analyze the forex trading, forex market, just because I'm a forex trader. But by the way, you can use it on every market. So yeah, we are on the EURUSD. This indicator, of course, is on TradingView, so it's very easy to install. And we are clearly on the downtrend. Started in during the Asian session. London time here, we got a sell signal, and the price kept going down from 1760 to 1725. So around 40 pips profit. The secret to use this indicator is always read the price action, because price action is king. And you will notice all these buy signals, but if price is falling, it's a risky move to open a buy position here, a long position. Okay, so just wait for the confirmation or for a very strong support zone in this case. By the way, and candles are just below the moving average here, so there is no reason to open a long position. Just follow the trend, and you will be fine. Euro and British pound, again, we have a solid price action. Unfortunately, the buy signal was too early in the morning at 4 a.m. As we can see, we are in an uptrend, at least on the 5-minute time frame. We got a first bullish impulse, retracement, and the price compressing. Okay, then the buy signal, and then going up from 85.50 to 87.0. So psychological levels filled. In this case, we had a very good sell signal at a 0.0 level, so it makes sense, to open a short position, especially on the 0 level or the 51. Okay, so sell signal from 87 to 86.70, more or less, so 30 pips more or less. USD, Japan, yen, we got no movement at all. Asian session was pretty good. We got this buy signal at 11 p.m. London time. Price going up. 157.10. And this morning here, we had a high of 57.71. So 60 pips more. Pretty strong sell here, sell signal, price going down. 8 o'clock a.m. and then a buy signal, but not a good price action to trade, honestly. When volatility is this wide, I just stay high out of the market. Euro Australian dollar, early buy signal here for very early morning traders at 62.50, going up to 62.95 more or less. Okay, and then we got another sell signal and price went down to 62.30. 30 pips, no, sorry, 60 pips more or less. Okay, of profits. So if you are a very, it depends on where you are, okay. But if you start trading very early in the morning, you will have capitalized a lot on this pair with this indicator. Let's check the US dollar and the Swiss. Price action is giving us a very important information. Price is moving upward, starting here in the Asian session. Strong buy signal, little volumes increasing during the night. 77.70, and the price kept climbing up to 77.95. Okay, then we have a very small retracement, another buy signal here at AM, and then continued to move upward from 77.90 buy signal up to 78.18. So many occasions to make money here. Again, you will see all these sell signal. Just ignore them if they are not generated close to a resistance. In this case, okay? If you have a very strong resistance, well, it's not the case to open a short position. Just check for the price levels and wait for confirmation on, as usual. So we got another buy signal here of 3 p.m. So we got many opportunities to profit on this pair. Australian dollar and the USD, my favorite pair. We got a pretty good Asian session. Okay, apparently I don't know why it didn't generate the signal, even though the candle was breaking the upper line here. I don't know, the upper band. So I don't know why it didn't generate it, but it was pretty good short. Okay. So we have a sell-off here. And nothing during the European session. We got just choppy movements. Yes, we got this buy signal at 72.10 going up to 72.30, but price is moving sideways, so not many opportunities to make good money unless you are scalping. Okay, because if you are scalping, you're gonna make good profit. But honestly, I don't like this price action. Candlesticks bodies are too big, high volatility. This war is making everything worse, so markets don't like uncertainty. Let's check the European Japan yen. Same situation as the USD Japan yen. Just a choppy market here. Nothing to really, not to capitalize. Not so many opportunities. Okay, this pair is often sleeping. You know, they got very small volumes. USD Canadian dollar, nice one. Okay, we are again just read the price action. We are in an uptrend, at least on the 5 minute chart. Remember this. Always check the higher time frame. But here we are uptrending. We have a buy signal during Asian session. 136.70, reaching the 37.00. And again here Europe time, in the morning we got a buy signal from 36.85, and the price rising up to 137.25, so 25 pips more or less. Not bad, not bad honestly. Last pair, nice. We got a nice downtrend here. If you trade with exponential moving average, you know you'll be fine because here no signals were generated. You can see the sell signal yesterday at 5 p.m. London time, was generated because we were very close to this very important resistance level around 36.76. So the price started to go down and it kept falling all night long till this morning. So honestly, yes, we got this sell signal, because after hitting the support here around 35.00, the price retraced. And yes, we had a sell, but no very important or strong movement to take in consideration. So I want to check the XAU USD. Pretty strong sell here during the Asian session. Price going down from 4,077. Going down to 4,690. Keeping going down. Okay. At noon, we got a sell signal. A retest of this lower high around 47.08, and then the downward movement started again down to 4,643. So if you are very good at writing the price action and you have strategies, of course, you will be fine using the VIP indicators. So you can use it for entry or exit signals, and it's working pretty good. I'm using it since like 5-6 months. I was a forex trend user, but the website is down. I don't know what happened, and I had to find a very good alternative. So I kept my time, to check and test all these tools, because there are so many indicators you can use today, but you need to use a reliable one who fits your strategies. So this one is pretty good, honestly. And for $10 per month, I'm in Europe, so I pay the VAT. So price for US customers or Asian will be a little bit smaller, like $8-9 per month. I don't know. So for $9-10 per month is very good. Is very good. You know, it saves you a lot of time, and I use it on the 5 minute charts, but it works very good also on the higher time frames. So if you want, I will make a video, other videos about this indicator. I will analyze the 4 hours, the hourly or the daily charts. Tell me in the comments. You can buy it clicking on the link below in the description. So for today is everything. See you soon. Stay tuned. Bye bye.